So this is my second YouTube live ever. Let's see how this goes. Holy moly, what a day today. So today is March 13th. It's in the afternoon. I was just about to have my coffee with my favorite coffee mug that we have from our Puerto Rico trip. We handed out to our masterminds. Anyhow, so I had my coffee and I wanted to goof off a little bit on Facebook. And as I do this, I realize, oh my gosh, Facebook is unavailable. And I thought first, okay, must be something wrong with my browser. But then I thought, now, you know what, let's Google it, because ultimately Google knows everything. And sure enough, what do I find? Let me just share this with you here. Look at this. Can't update status. Facebook and Instagram are down. What do you know? See, there's even a website called downdetector.com that is showing the Facebook outage map. And as you can see, wow, major parts of the world are affected by this. Let's actually see if this affects the stock at all. So today, first of all, surprise, surprise today. So right now you're looking at the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 today made a 5-month high. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Yep, today we are higher than we were in the beginning of December. I don't think that we actually cracked the high of November, but yeah. Boy, so S&P has been up for quite a while. Then last week we had this little scare. Every single day last week we were going down. But now this week, today's Wednesday, we're bouncing back. Monday we were up, Tuesday we were up, today we're up. So let's see what's happening. Now the one index that is suffering today a little bit is the Dow. Why? Because Boeing is down again. Because you see, on Sunday, I believe it was on Sunday, one of the Boeing planes, the 737 MAX, crashed. And so on Monday, we had a few countries in the world already grounding these particular planes. And until today, it seemed that the whole world said, okay, stop, we got to see what's going on. But the US was FAA, the Federal Aviation, what is it called? Federal Aviation, whatever, Administration, I guess, FAA, said, no, everything is good. But this is where, I think it was just an hour ago, Trump says the US will ground the Boeing jet so that he will put in some sort of order and say, okay, all planes that are currently in the air will be grounded upon landing at destination. So apparently this particular plane, the Boeing 737 MAX 8, is now grounded. So let's see, how does this affect Boeing? So BA today, as you know, past few days down. Look at this. My gosh, the stock is bouncing back. Trade what you see, not what you think, right? I mean, you know that this is what I always say. Because if you look at it and you think that, hey, now that Boeing planes are grounded pretty much all over the world, that the stock should go down, but no, it is still up. Hey, let's check what Facebook is doing, since right now Facebook is pretty much unavailable. What do you know? Let's take a look at the intraday chart. This is a 3-minute chart. So when Facebook went down, you see this is where we started this morning, and Facebook was all over the place. When it went down, went slightly lower, bounced right back. So, hey, Facebook is up again. Facebook is down. Jeez. It's definitely a crazy day, huh? Have you been checking Facebook recently? See what's going on? Hey, I have a quick question for you. I'm actually thinking about doing some Rockwell mugs. I mean, not with this. That's a mug that we did for our mastermind members when we went to Puerto Rico last month. And here's what it says. I hung out with the German and Big Sexy, that's my head coach Mark Hodge, in Puerto Rico, and all I got was this lousy mug. So and then it has the Rockwell Trading. I'm thinking about doing some cooler mugs. Would you be interested in this? I would give them to you at cost. I mean, whatever it costs to make such a mug, you can have it at cost. Anyhow, so yeah, we'll see. Right now it is 3 o'clock. So the markets just closed, or the markets are about to close. And let's see where we stand by the end of the day. So the Dow Jones today, a little bit all over the place, and this is when all the Boeings got grounded. The Boeing 37, that particular plane, went all the way down, bounced a little back. So for the day, if you look it up, for the day, we're still up. Everything is nice and green. Okay. So the S&P making a 5-month high, so does the Nasdaq. So pretty unimpressed of what's going on right now in the world. It is pretty crazy though. What a crazy day. And this is why I was planning to go on Facebook. I go live on Facebook. But then I thought, hey, if they're down, might as well come here on the YouTube. It's my second time ever that I'm coming here, but if you guys enjoy me coming live on the YouTube, I'll be happy to do this. Anyhow, so just very briefly in summary, what is going on today? Facebook and Instagram are down. Boeing has been ordered to basically ground all the 373. Why can't I say this? What's so difficult about this? 737 MAX 8, the plane that crashed on Sunday in Ethiopia, I believe, killing 157 people. Not quite sure. I read some reports where that says 142, 157. Anyhow, a tragedy. And so most of the world grounded these planes already earlier this week. And today, the FAA said everything is fine. We believe in these planes. But President Trump said, nope, that's it. Executive order. These planes are staying on the ground until we know what's going on. Market's pretty unimpressed by that because this morning we had some better economic data. But this is where it goes back to trade what you see, not what you think, right? Just to show you, here's what we did this morning. So right now, this week, I'm trading live with my private students, my mastermind students, and we use the PowerX Analyzer, the software that I personally use to find the best stocks, and we put orders in for CRS, and we were planning to go short. Did not get filled. And this is the important thing. I like to let the market come to me. ZUMZ, this was another one that I wanted to go short, but then it moved higher today, and when it does, I don't get filled because I place in a stop order, right? And only if it goes below the previous day's low, so below yesterday's low, this is when I want to go short. Never happened today with ZUMZ, CRS. The stocks that I still have in my portfolio right now is CLF and XEC, both of them betting on a falling market, as you can see here. And right now it's working out really, really well for both these stocks, XEC and CLF. Because that's another thing that I've learned. I don't have a bias when it comes to the market, right? I mean, if a stock wants to go down, it'll go down. And this is why I'm short in these two positions, betting on falling CLF and XEC. And again, today tried to enter two new positions. Didn't work. So I'll wait until I have the end of day data for the PowerX Analyzer, and then I'll run it tonight and see what I'll trade tomorrow. If you're interested in knowing what exactly I do, how I find the best stocks to trade, go to mytradingroutine.com. I have a video there that explains exactly how I find the best stocks, the indicators that I use, when I enter and when I exit. And when I exit, I show you exactly how I limit my risk, because when trading there's risk involved, and also when exactly I'm taking profit. So if you're interested in this, just go to mytradingroutine.com so that you see exactly what I do, get a better idea of the software that I use, the indicators that I use, the stop loss, the profit target, and I'm sure that you'll find it helpful. And if you are close by, come to one of our boot camps. If you would like to know where we have our next boot camps, it's bootcamp.rockwelltrading.com. Bootcamp.rockwelltrading.com. These boot camps are free. They are typically 5 or 6 hours because we want to take our time to show you exactly how to trade stocks and options even if you have only 15 minutes a day, because that's a cool thing. The way how I like to trade is basically just look at the stocks in the evening, place the orders right away, and then throughout the day, as I just said, apparently I can goof off on Facebook when it is available. Anyhow, hope this helps. This was actually fun doing this this YouTube live. So good to see you guys here. Let's see who all is here. 1811 Bruce, good to see you. Paul, hey, how are you? Florence, good to see you. Where are you guys from? Where exactly are you from? Right now, as you can see, Austin, Texas, it is nice and warm. We are in the upper 70s right now. I know that there's this massive, what is it, storm that was passing through yesterday, but now it's much better. And Debbie's here as well, posting the links for me. Thank you so much. It's helping me out. But yeah, it's a beautiful day this weekend. I'll go sailing with the kids, or let's say the kids will be sailing because they are participating in a regatta, and I'll be on a coach boat, on a motorboat, watching them. Anyhow, hope this helps. Hope you're enjoying it. I'll talk to you very soon.